I'm hating it. McDonald's AI-powered drive-thru sucks. I never even knew there was such a thing as an AI-powered drive-thru. Videos posted to TikTok are illustrating just how woefully ill-prepared automation is at taking fast food orders. Oh, you know what? I feel like maybe I heard about this.
Yeah, it was trending. Quite a lot of people were talking about this.
So this is how you get around somebody actually taking the order, which, by the way, can be a frustrating experience, obviously. Like trying to relay through the headset. That'll be, what'll you'll be having? I'll have 2, 4, what? 6 of the, and then you got to say it again. Although these systems have become a lot more clear lately.
And there's a display of what you...
Display can help, but you notice on the display, it's always adding, deleting, adding, deleting lines, adding. Anyway, let's see how the AI works.
Let's see.
No caramel.
Caramel.
Would you like anything else?
No cream packet. No. I just want a large water and a cup of ice cream. No, the ketchup packet. Oh my god.
Oh, what? What's going on here?
Ketchup packet.
I literally can't. Where did the butter come from? I would just like a large water and a cup of ice cream.
Oh, it sounds like she's saying butter. Well, she said water. Did you hear that?
I'm done.
So it's her fault.
2 large water.
None. Plain. Zero. Zeta. Nothing. Just vanilla ice cream.
What?
For the Sunday.
Oh my god. I'm done. We're done. Jesus.
Yeah.
Can you give me a replay on that? Can you give me a
I'm gonna lose
replay?
my shit. Can I please have vanilla ice cream?
Can I get you anything else?
No caramel.
Would you like anything else?
No cream packet. No. I just want a large water and a cup of ice
Her
cream.
water is close to
No,
butter,
ketchup
dude. I'm
packet.
just saying. That's an observation.
Yeah.
A large water.
But it's also how you interact with...
Well, I'm just
the
saying.
robot,
I'm just
too.
saying, dude.
You
'Cause
can't
I
just
was-
start screaming at him and, like, saying other words.
Him?
It's... Or it, whatever. Whatever it is. McDonald's.
No, but you gotta also look at it like there's the way you would look at it, the way I would look at it. I would try to test the extremities. I'd be
you would.
thinking about like if I'm enunciating things, and just like I did with that, I'm like, okay, where did it fail? Like I can't help but look for that. But regular people don't care. Regular people are gonna keep chatting. They're gonna keep going. They're gonna do pretty much this, and it shows you the the weakness of it. Now, granted, people get it wrong too. How many times does a conversation in a drive-thru just go for too long? And this is why so many of these places have gone to these systems where you're on an app and then you pull up to a spot, because guess what? It can't be wrong. That broken telephone moment can't happen where you're relaying through a microphone and a speaker, and then each person's voice is going to be interpreted ever so slightly differently.
Yeah.
We're a long way away from a perfect version of what they were just doing. A long way away.
But it's, McDonald's also has the kiosk where you're inside.
There's a kiosk inside. There's the app on your phone. There's other ways to do it.
The app on the phone, yeah.
But I'm curious, do you know if any of these are around here? I would love to try this out.
Not that I know of.
Okay.
Yeah, it might be in the States.
I would love to track one of these down in the Toronto area, because I
just completely break it.
No, I don't want to break it. I want to
sure?
I want to see if I can execute it properly. Like, it must be working for some people, or they would immediately take it out. Like, McDonald's trying to make sales here.
Yeah.
It must be working every so often.